Namaste, Level Up Venture. Namaste, Thomas. I'm Vijay. I'm from India, and I'm the founder of the startup called Anime. I'm really, really excited for you guys to learn from you and to pitch my startup and all what I'm doing. Basically, Anime is a micro platform specifically for the anime users. And I know you reviewed my application, so I'll not bore you with the basic stuffs and all. But the moment which we are carrying is, we built anime because India is the second largest market for the anime consumptions and anime users. With 120 million anime users who are actively watching the anime content. But first thing, the anime is coming from the outside India and which is outdated. And secondly, they are in the long format. Okay, and at the same time in India, the micro industry is rapidly booming. So I noticed one untapped given the market is no one is building for the anime for the microdrama, and the users are ready. They're willing to watch the short form content and anime stuff in a short form format, and that's what we did. We combined the both market. We built anime in microdrama content, and that's what we done. So the results are insane. I can say the best part, like we are not just an idea, we are full flagship consumer tech platform, and we are live in the market. Even within 1 month, we got 5,000 monthly active users, 400 to 500 daily active users, and 1 million plus reach organically in the social media. And the best IMP part and the most IMP part is, we got 120 plus paying customers who are willing to pay for the microdrama content in the storytelling format or anime content in the microdrama format. Yeah, this is like kind of nonsense within 1 month to get like kind of the stuff. And if I say about why am I so excited for your program, like marketing accelerator program for with the Level Up. So basically, first thing, you're the hashtag one in the world for the consumer technology, and we are pure consumer tech, yeah. And second thing I can say, we built a great product and we prove it with the with the, I can say, like the organic demands. But what we are looking to accelerate right now is our customer acquisition machine. And I believe that with your product, like with your, push smart push powered digital marketing infrastructure, we can make it like visible in the market. We can boost it as an speed level. Okay, and second thing I can say for the microdrama platforms, like the reattentions and push notifications, and even I can say the targeted ads really matters. I can say they are the everything for the microdrama platforms and kind of stuff. I know other things matters, but they are the main. I can say the level one stuffs. Okay, and along with this, like everyone says, the money doesn't matter for me. Like it matters. Like if I get 25K at dollars and an upfront cash, so what we'll do, like we'll fuel the current pipeline with the performance marketing so that we can get the more and more like readers and all. And the last and very very excited thing for me, like really very, very excited thing, which is a BI one to one execution weekly program for your which is like coming from your unicorn operators. They are the industry leaders, and I believe this if they teach us. So from me and for like me, other founders who are like in any initial stage who don't have lots of experience as they have, they'll teach us. Like let's say for example, I'm doing the four things, and I know the four things matters for the startup. But what they do, they'll come and say like you need to do only these single one, the third one thing. So you'll get the total results from the one thing. And this is the thing that I just wanted to learn from your unicorn operators. And I believe like with you I can say I just wanted to create I want you to help me to create, I can say Level Up help me to create the world class growth marketing engine, so that we can go for, or our startup anime can go for around from like base 120 users, paying users, to the 12,000 or 20,000 or 50,000 or 1 lakh, something like kind of the stuff in upcoming months. And that's it from my side, and I'm really really excited to join you, and I can't wait to work with the Level Up team. Yeah, thank you.